I would love to do PR, public relations. That's my passion.
I'm really interested on video. It's something that I'm very passionate about, photography and video in general.
I really like editing videos and the whole aspect of being able to manage some people. I had never had that experience before.
The journalism program exposes students to all different kinds of careers. Our program is very much a hands-on, experiential program.
I got to meet people who are in the public relations department, people who are professionals in this area, in this field, and I got to talk to them about their jobs and their daily life. And it was a really eye-opening experience.
It's a little bit of a misnomer these days because when people hear the word journalism, they think news. They think newspapers. I've had so many students and parents actually say, but newspapers are dying. I'm not going to let my kid major in journalism. Well, media communications is really what we are about.
Sometimes there are students who have a definite interest. They want to be an on-air reporter or they want to be an anchor. If you have a real serious interest in one area, that's great. But use this opportunity at Johnson County Community College to expand your horizons a little bit and at least learn about what these other jobs are and what they do.
The Student News Center is a student-run organization. You have an opportunity to work in a student news publication that wins awards on a regular basis. We are one of the top publications in the state of Kansas. It's considered a job at the college. It's not considered a class. These are actual paid positions, paid jobs.
I'm really glad I made the decision to go to Johnson County Community College before I transferred, where I had the opportunity to climb the ranks of the campus ledger, and I had the opportunity to have one-on-one conversations with professors and professionals.
I came here not knowing anything about video production, and look at me now, I'm the associate producer.
I'm from Brazil. English is my second language. The biggest deal here is looking for experience. And we have places in here at the college that offer that experience for you.
We are very focused on mentoring, very focused on guiding our students along the academic and career path that fits them best. And we're focused on making sure that the students find what really is their passion. And we give them the opportunities and the experiences to discover that.